is Sheila and welcome back to my channel, Face and Fashions. On my channel, I do unboxings of all sorts. So if you like unboxing videos, definitely hit on that subscribe button. I would love to have you join me. And for my returning subscribers, as always, thank you and welcome back. Now for today's video, I have two items. I have one Stitch Fix Shop Your Look item that I purchased. And I also have a Stitch Fix box to open and try everything on with you guys. So for those of you who don't know what Stitch Fix is, though, I made a quick 3-minute little video. You can click on it right here at any point in the video, and it will describe how Stitch Fix works, all the basic stuff that you need to know. Or you could also just look down in the description box and all the information will be there. Okay, so we are going to get straight into the try-on as I'm telling you guys about it. And the first item I'm going to show you is this one. And this was the Shop Your Look item that I purchased. And I don't have the paper for this in front of me, but this is from Market and Spruce. And I love easy to wear summer dresses, and that's why I purchased this. I think it looks really cute on. It has a little cute detail right here, like a twisted knot detail right there. And I think that will look cute like when I pull my hair up in a ponytail. It's an easy to wear summer dress, so I'm definitely keeping this. I'm glad I purchased this. I think it fits pretty good, so this is a keeper. Yay, so glad I got this. Okay, so that was my Shop Your Look purchase. Now we're going to get straight into my regular February Stitch Fix box. First item out I'm going to show you is the pants, because I got 4 tops and 1 pair of pants. So I will be wearing the pants with all the looks. These pants are by Tribal, and these are a Fia straight leg trouser in the color black for $58. Now, there are aspects of these pants I like, and I really almost thought about keeping these. First off, I'm going to give you the positives about them. Comfortable, flat panel right here. There's no buttons, no zippers, so shirts lay nicely. It came straight to my ankle, perfect length for my legs, and it has 2 pockets right back here. They are sewn shut, and that's the way I would keep them, because in pants like this, I don't want a bunch of bulges. I want a nice slim look about this. But the thing I don't like about it is it's a straight leg, but I was looking more for a taper leg. I was hoping it would taper in a little bit more. So it's not the fault of the pant. It's just not exactly what I'm looking for. It's a good price, but I'm not in love with it. I tried this on, and this is from Fortune and Ivy, and this was the Colin mixed material in the color blue, which looks like it has an animal print, and it's $42. Now let me hold it up for you so you can see the pattern. It is definitely some kind of animal pattern, and it has these little buttons going right here down the front. And in the back, you can see it's a nice solid knit top. Well, let me see if it says what the material is. The top is 100% polyester. That's the front. And the back is 95 rayon, 5% spandex. So this shirt has a possibility. I liked it on me. I thought it laid nicely. I love tops like this. I love the V-neck. I love the cute little button detail. It looked very feminine, which is the kind of aesthetic I like. I like a feminine blouse. I like the little elastic right here at the wrist. But this is a definite possibility. Please let me know in the comment section what you guys think of that one. Okay, so the next top out is this one, and this was also by Market and Spruce. Oh, I think this was the only one by Market and Spruce. I think the dress was by Market and Spruce. And this is the Denver front twist top in the color purple for $38. Great, great price, but I wasn't in love with it. I already own a lot of twist tops. Well, they're not even ties. They're just twisted right here at the bottom. And I liked it, but it's just, you know, when you put something on, it's kind of like, it's nice, but it's not a love. And, you know, maybe if I was going to keep all 5 items, this would be good. I know I would wear it. I know I would definitely wear it. But I already know I'm sending the pants back, and this wasn't a strong enough contender for me to even think about. So that's going to be a no. Now the next item out is this one, and this is also in a color purple, but this has more of a, is it a heathered look? And this is by Colette, and this is a Romney cold shoulder knit top for $34. Now this one I sort of kind of liked. It does have a cold shoulder detail, but this is a little bit unique from the traditional cold shoulder that everybody wore for like the last 5 years. This is just like, I would call this more of a, they're calling it a cold shoulder, but I feel like it would be called better would be a split sleeve, a short sleeve, split sleeve with a little twist detail, just like the other top. It was nice, and like I said, if this was going to be a 5 for $5, I would probably keep it. I didn't dislike it, but I wasn't in love with it. Okay, now we have one more item in the box, and that is this sweater. And first off, okay, let me give you the details about it before I go rambling on. This is by Letty and Me. And this is the Oakland ribbed sleeved cardigan, dark pink for $46. Okay, first off, what I love the color. The color, this is one of my favorite colors. Well, I have a lot of favorite colors. I really can't say that anymore. I need to stop saying that. But I love this color. I think this is such a beautiful color, especially going into spring. So, and you always need a nice new cardigan. So this is a strong possibility. There are no frilly bits in this. There's no pockets. There's no buttons. There's no nothing. It is just a simple cardigan that comes right down to the bottom of my, or not even, not that very long, right to the top of my pants maybe covering my bum a little bit. It has this cute little cut detail in the back. It comes down like in a V right here, and then it has a line coming down the front, and then it has smaller ridges right there. So I really like this. I like the color, and I like the simplicity of it. I think it could go with all those t-shirt dresses that I like on days when I don't want to wear a denim jacket. I think a nice, this would, oh, come on, now how cute would this look with this little just black t-shirt dress? You put that on over the t-shirt dress. You got a little pop of spring in a simple, easy to wear outfit. So this is probably a strong contender. And my other piece that I really loved was this shirt right here, this blue animal print top. So what did you guys think? What were your favorite pieces? I would love to know what you think in the comment section. And that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you guys, this is going to be short and quick, and I hope you guys have a lovely week, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye-bye.